What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It is Tuesday now, so hopefully you are all having a great start to the week. If you're new to the channel, I appreciate you clicking on this video. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any future content. And if you like what you see, give this video a huge thumbs up. It definitely does help out the channel. We are almost at 9K subscribers, guys, and we're going to be doing a 10,000 subscriber giveaway once we reach that milestone. It's going to be a box full of goodness. So definitely a huge thanks to all of the supporters and continued growth on the channel. It is all because of you guys that I am doing all of this, expanding the collection, meeting a lot of new people and trading and all that good stuff. Pretty much everything that the hobby is all about, that is what we do here on MHD. A lot of trades, a lot of hunting for, vintage and antique stuff. But in this episode, guys, it is that time yet again. We have another mail call. Now, I was not expecting this package. This is from Joe over at Automotive History through DIECAST. So Joe, thank you so much for whatever's in here, because as you guys saw in the last mail call, there was just a plethora of just awesomeness. So we're gonna go ahead and open this up and see what we got. So let's go ahead and do that right now. All right, guys, like I said, I have no idea what's in the box. Looks like an old classics, maybe Hot Ones. Yep, definitely a Hot Ones card right here. Uh-oh, what did Joe send our way? Oh man, here we go. Check it out. First one out. Oh, nice, dude. Shohas Mustang 2. Oh my gosh, dude, this is beautiful. Look at that opening body. It looks like a rubber band is in there. Wow, I've never seen that before. Beautiful pearlescent yellow. Or maybe it's just a metallic flake into it. Yeah, it's just metallic flake. Really cool, like flame-ish tampo. I don't know, it's kind of a really cool deco on there. But you got Shohas on the hood and those meaty, super meaty black walls on there. God, that is just thick. Dude, this is the very first Shohas Mustang 2 casting in the collection. Never seen this one. Dude, that is awesome, man. Is this a like re-release or modern release? 2011, so 2012 release. Looks like you got the 86 Thunderbird, 80s Pontiac, hair splitter, nice, a little Volkswagen Golf, and the Sunagon. Don't even know what that is, but if I find it, I'll put it on screen. But dude, Joe, man, thank you so much. That is a great addition right there. Oh my gosh, you sent it, dude. Look at this, guys. Tour Edition Mustang Mach 1. We had a small conversation over this piece in our text messages. And check it out. From Sonoma, California, going all the way to Nashville, Tennessee. Dude, this is awesome, man. This is awesome. Wow, look at that race team livery, man. Over that blue metallic. That is gorgeous. So here's a little fact on the back. You can go ahead and pause it on the screen. I don't want to read everything because it's pretty long. But looks like some very cool info on this. 650 streetable horsepower with goods. Oh man, say no more. 650 horsepower for whatever that story is. But man, this is a beauty, dude. Oh my gosh, that's a great addition right there. Here we go, we have the number 6 Valvoline from Mark Martin's Shelby. Here we go, this is number 3 for the collection. We actually just got it right there, the high octane. But more the merrier, guys. I do have one loose and now I have 2 carded. But man, like I always say, you can never have enough Mustangs in a Mustang collection. Just cannot. Awesome stuff right there. And then of course it looks like we have a loose car in a nice case. Gosh, man, these cases are awesome. Definitely appreciate that one. All right, let's see, what do we have in here? We got the bubble wrap and ooh, it looks like it's inside of some cotton. Oh, what could it be? Oh my gosh, look how gorgeous that is. Oh my gosh, dude. Is this one of your customs? Oh yeah, there you go. You got the screwed and tapped base. Beautiful 55 gasser, man. Look at that. Dude, this chrome finish of pink is amazing. And the pinstriping. Dude, this is awesome. Man, that is beautiful. Check that out, man. Love the wheel choice. The pink tinted glass just ties in the body. Dude, this is well done, my man. Man, that is just beautiful. I want to see what the livery, it says NFTH. So is this the livery or same type of tampos that are on the NFT? Because if so, man, this is just beautiful. Man, love that white top on there, man. It just really finishes it off very, very well. Those wheels, man. I love the license plate on there, the big time. Wow. That is a beauty, man. Let's go ahead and put that bad boy back in its case. Oh, look at that. Man, that is beautiful. Joe, thank you so much for that, dude. That is a beautiful masterpiece of a 55 gasser, but not to mention 3 beautiful Mustangs, 2 of which are new to the collection. You got the Show Haas Mustang 2 from the Hot One series. You got the Tour Edition 70 Mach 1, probably the coolest freaking livery you can ever have on a Mustang, the race team. And then, of course, the Mark Martin's 68 or 67 GT500. It's just a sweet casting. I don't care, dude. I don't care how many of those I have. I think that was one of my first Valvoline Mustangs in my whole collection. And I can't remember who I got it from, so I do apologize. But I got it back when I was in Arizona in a package. Oh, man, I want to say like it was AFAL Man or maybe Trevor Samuda. I cannot remember. But when I got it, I was like, oh my gosh, that is beautiful. And I remember getting this Mustang along with the 70 Chevelle, which was the number 5. I think it was Terry Labonte's car right here. Check that out, man. Yep, Terry Labonte. So I had gotten this one and the Mustang in the same package, and these are just too cool. Joe, thank you so much for this package. Was not expecting it. I know we talked through text over those, but let me know what we're working out for this and I will get that box sent to you. So if you guys have not checked him out, go ahead and swing on over to Automotive History through DIECAST if you want to learn more about cars and DIECAST. He connects the two in an amazing way. I think it's very, very cool and different for a YouTube channel to incorporate Hot Wheels and real life castings with a backstory. So definitely go show him some love. And of course, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a huge thumbs up. Comment down below your thoughts and I'll see you guys next time. Until then, this is the Mustang Hunter. Peace.